What's up, people? Big J Masters checking in from Omaha Barbell. This is a gym. This is a real gym. Check it out. Not one, but two reverse hypers. Deadlift platforms, Versa lifts. They got everything. That's Moses over there deadlifting in the background. There's a woman right there doing some power cleans. Got the stars and stripes hanging on the wall. We got free weights. We got hammer strength. We got Olympic lifting. We got kettlebells. We got strongman implements. You name it. This place has got it. This is definitely a treasure. This is not your mother's cookie cutter LA Fitness. Look at this. 2 Versa lifts for squats. Atlas stones, kegs, yokes. Apparatus for the farmer's walk. Bumper plates for Olympic lifting. We've got a deadlift platform. It has the attachment so you can do banded deadlifts. This place is the fucking shit. Look at those bands. There's Moses. Easy. Nice double.
Okay.
You got it.
Pussy boy. Oh, got it.
All right. Maybe someday Big Brad Wolf will be that strong, but I doubt it. Him and his cookie cutter squat shoes. He had to be like Lenny. Next thing you know.
Squat like this. Squat on high heels.
Yeah. Check this place out, people. Have you ever seen such a sweet fucking gym? I don't see any tires to flip. They must be outside.
Got stones over there to play with.